Accenture just announced that it's going to be sacking employees that don't embrace AI. A couple of weeks ago, we heard from Andy Jassy at Amazon that he's going to be continuing to cut staff because AI is going to make jobs and tasks redundant. I question whether this is true. It's a lot easier to automate tasks, things you do through your day, than entire jobs, an entire job function. The companies that look at, oh, how do we cost reduce labor? That seems like a good idea. I have this instinct that what's going to happen is there's going to be a whole lot of outsourcing to pretend that we've decreased headcount and that the costs aren't actually going to go down that dramatically. When you think about AI, you think about automation, the question to think about isn't how do I save money? That's important. What I'd ask is how can you make money? How can you create value? How can you grow your customers' potential in entirely new ways? That's how you grow jobs instead of removing.